Hello friends, welcome to our channel It School. Today we will learn about MS Excel 2016. First select blank workbook. Here we have various menus like File, Home, Insert, Page Layout, Formulas, Data, Review, View and Above Cart. Today we will discuss about these menus. Our first menu is File menu. In this menu, first option is Info, which contains properties of this file like size, title, tags, categories, related dates, for example last modification, creation date or printer date, or authors. In other info, we have option to protect our file with a password like encrypt with password. I am giving this password. This is now protected workbook. Our other option is mark as final. It means you have done your work, but you don't need to changes in this workbook. If you want to change, it displays you a message. It is marked as final. Are you sure you want to change? Or in next option we have new. As we know, it is for blank workbook. Next option is open, for open the previous file which is existing in your system. Next is save. This option helps you to save the file into your system. Our next option is save as. In save as, this is not many difference from the save menu. In save we save the file. In save as we save the file with different name or different location after some modifications. Next is save as above PDF. This helps to save the file in PDF mode. Now there's required the password. Next is print, for printing the file. Share your file in your email. Export, again create above PDF file. Last we done in save as above PDF. Skip the publish menu, close, as we all know, closing the file. Our next option is home menu. Type some values of like this. First option is cut. Cut is using to move your position of the text like this. Cut, paste. Our next option is copy. Copy is using to create duplicacy like this. Copy. Now paste. Paste we all know. Paste is using after cut or copy. Our next option is format painter. Good morning. Format painter helps us to format the next cell as like the previous cell like this. Next is for font selection. Okay. Next is size. Our next option is bold. shortcut Ctrl plus V, like this. Next is italic, shortcut Ctrl plus I. Next is underline, shortcut Ctrl plus U. Our next option is very important, which create a border. For example, this. When you are printing your document, this border includes into document. Next option is highlighting or fill color. In next option, we see our text color. In next option, alignment section will become. Now there's top alignment, middle alignment, bottom alignment, left alignment by default, center alignment, and right alignment. If you are not satisfied, you can change from this. Next is angle creation, like this. Okay. Or like this. Next one is wrap text. We will see when we are typing a text, it crosses the next cell, but when we apply the wrap text, it is not going to another text, it is going behind the text. Next one is merge and center, used for merge two cells, like this. This is one, these are two. Next one is shared protector, skip this option. Next is percentage. For example, I have 70. From 100. What is the percentage of 70? Apply percentage sign, then is equal to first value A3, next divided with last value B3. Now enter. Here's the percentage will come. Skip this option. Next one is format as table. For example, this areas will be selected. Now there are the filters come with the table, but when I am deleting these are not able to be deleted from deleter. All table will be deleted if I did. For this, there's a solution. Go to table, convert to range. Oh yes. Now add with the format table. Now this is simple. The table is behind this. Next is cell style. You can apply from these anything. Next one is insert. Insert for the insert any cell or row, like this. Deletion is also there. Next one is format, which helps us to create a row height. For example, I gave 15. Look at this. Next one is auto sum. Auto sum means there are 5 formulas. फर्स्ट फॉर्मूला इज सम इज इक्वल टू SUM. फर्स्ट वैल्यू कहाँ पे है हमारी A3 देन B3. ओह सॉरी, यहाँ पे परसेंटेज का फॉर्मूला लगा था. इज इक्वल टू SUM ब्रैकेट स्टार A3 डॉट B3 एंटर. Oh sorry, there's a mistake. A3 नहीं, there's A4. One value has been changed after the table. Now look at this. Next is minimum is equal to MIN bracket start, same formula again, A4 B4. Look at this. Now maximum is equal to MAX bracket start A4 B4. Now 100. Next one is count. Next one is average. Look at this. We have done all 5 formulas. Next one is again filter. We were done from this. Now filters come. Equals 100. Okay, 100 come. Clear formats, clear all. Everything will be clear. Okay, clear formats. If any format applied, it will be cleared. Next one is clear content. All contents will be cleared, but not formats. Next, clear comments. If any comments are applied, these are cleared. Clear hyperlinks again. If any hyperlink is applied, it will be clear. Thanks for watching.